details of the schedule, please visit our website at www.nhk.or.jp/NHK-World. Please stay tuned.
We now bring you the news from Tokyo. I'm Kaori Nimura.
I'm Keith McFarlane.
In our top stories, an international conference on disaster preparedness and development began Tuesday in Sendai, Japan, which was devastated by the March 2011 earthquake and tsunami.
The International Monetary Fund has lowered its forecast for global growth by 0.2 percentage points to 3.3%.
And an NHK survey shows that the support rate for the cabinet of Prime Minister Yoshihiko Noda is 26%, the lowest since Noda formed his cabinet in September 2011. Now the news in detail. An international conference on disaster preparedness and development began Tuesday in Sendai, Japan, which was devastated by the March 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The gathering is being held in concert with the annual meetings of the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank, which are underway in Tokyo. The Sendai meeting was organized by the Japanese government and the World Bank to highlight the revival of the northeastern region in which Sendai is located. At the opening ceremony, Reconstruction Minister Tatsuo Hirano said, Japan has overcome any number of disasters, learning many lessons in the process. World Bank Managing Director Mahmoud Mohildin, speaking to the many government officials from around the world in attendance, pointed out the need for disaster mitigation measures in developing countries. He added that this should not be ignored when allocating aid to such countries. On Wednesday, the last day of the two-day meeting, participants will make an inspection tour of the disaster-hit region.
The International Monetary Fund has lowered its forecast for global growth by 0.2 percentage points to 3.3%. The announcement coincided with the opening of the IMF and World Bank meetings in Tokyo. The report said the economic decline is especially serious in southern European countries, despite policies aimed at addressing the credit crisis. The IMF also said the European credit uncertainty is slowing growth in emerging countries such as China, as well as developing countries. It projected the Eurozone economy shrinking by 0.4%, and emerging and developing economies growing by 5.3%. It says Japan and the United States should see 2.2% growth. The IMF is predicting that global growth will increase to 3.6% next year.